Hello friends, welcome back to Surya Chess. Today we have honored guest from Europe, and we are going to play a match with him, and we are going to learn the chess with the game. So Arnold, can you please introduce yourself? He is facing some issue with the webcam, so we have kept the photo of his. Uh, yeah, Arnold.
Yes, hi everyone. I'm Arnaud. I'm from France. In Europe, I started to play chess 1 year ago, and I really love that game. And I'm happy to play a match with my friend Surya Chess, and then to show you the match.
Okay. Thank you for the introduction. Just check in your application. You might have received the invitation, the challenge 3+2. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to mute myself on the Zoom and let's focus on the game then. Okay, all the
Yes,
best.
all the best. Bye.
Yeah. Okay, the game has begun in an English opening style. So guys, yesterday we played a few matches and we almost it was equal. Two games I won and two games he won. So it was a nice playing with him. So I requested him and he came on to the channel. And let's see how the game is going. So we did think a lot of means many times we think how it is going and all. Just go here and come here. If it's try to come here, cannot come because it's undependent. So my next idea would be to put knight on the e2. He did started playing the chess last year, so we are almost on the same track. Means 1 year I also started playing during last year. So I should have put the queen here, and if we had captured, should have went here, and knight has to go here, and then I did capture back with the pawn here, and I still have the chance to. Okay, he did already played. Shall I go for the castling or wait for? Now, if we go here, queen to b3, might chances that rook can jump into the b8 square. But we can play. Okay, I think we can go with the castling first. Be solid and then focus on the attack. Now I just need to develop these two pieces. Okay. Okay, he also started playing good. Now if I can capture. Uh, yeah, but I need to get this. So can we play with the isolated pawn? Okay, let's go with it and see. Okay, can we play here? Can we jump here? He captures. We capture with the. And if he captures here, I'll capture with the rook on the f4 square. Go here, simply captures. I need to recapture with this. This will be the hanging. Okay, let's go with this plan now. I'm not getting much idea. It's already late here while we are recording the video. I'm not getting much ideas at the moment. Let's see. Our next idea is to come back and defend this. Okay, can I push it so that I can just remove my weakness? And then next we go where to capture. If it's capture, I can just simply capture again. Now next idea would to come here and put some pressure here, and it's already a double attack here as well. And rook cannot come here to support this pawn. Either queen come. If queen comes, we are going to win this pawn. Oh, I see. It's a blunder. Guys, did you spot it? Can you just spot it? Sorry. I can give up that pawn, no problem. So I'm also going to win this pawn. If it's coming a check, no problem. It's defended here, so there is no discover attack coming. I need to just come back because now the queen has, because I cannot capture here. That will be the blunder now. I can win two rooks here, and if I put pressure here, that will be the back rank mate here. Okay, he did defended that. Can I go and give up this pawn? Let's see, guys. I'm going to play some aggressive chess here. Yeah, he did play that. I think we can go with it. Can we? We go. Okay, let's go with it. If he cannot save the back rank mate, that will be a big blunder there. Also, time is also, yeah, I did save that. Now, guys, this is going to be the tougher game now, for me at least. Let's play some tactics here. Okay. Can I go here? Now the next idea is to block this and go for the checkmate. He is very low on time, guys. I don't know if he's going to lose. Sorry, guys, I am also on low on time. I don't know if it's going to be. Oh, it was a very nice game. Let me just unmute myself on the Zoom and also the audio. Hello.
Yes.
Yes.
Well played.
I don't know what happened, means we both are on a very low time. Almost I was thought that means I'm going to lose on time, and it was a very nice game, I would say, because I was just I did given my queen for two rooks. At the end I thought I'm losing.
It was well played.
Yeah, I thought at the end I was losing, but yeah, I think it's only one move, and it will be the checkmate. I just, let me share my screen and let's do the analysis of our game where we did the blunders. that will also get counted then, right?
Yeah, I didn't see the time at the end, and so I'm. It's a bit a pity that I lost some time, but it's chess, and you played very
Correct.
well.
Correct. No, there are two mistakes and two blunders showing for me as well. So let's have the analysis of game. So
But
that
I
will be
gave
the
I gave my knight. I abandoned my knight. I don't know
yes,
why.
yes. Actually, I did not understand why did you given that knight.
But I wanted to play like knight f6, and I played queen f6.
Mm-hmm.
Like I was not very focused, and that was not
Oh,
that good.
okay. So I think at this place it's like a equal position only.
Yes.
Here the idea is only I just wanted to get rid of with this isolated pawn. That's why I
Yes.
pushed further and I thought just oh okay, here it was showing me the best moves to capture with the bishop here, but I don't want to give the bishop of where your king is going to get weakened. So that's why
Uh-huh.
I thought just capture it with the knight, and then you did capture with it, and I just thought to capture with the queen. And here I have two ideas, basically this was the hanging piece. Okay, you need to defend this as well as this, and if you came here it's already a bishop which is already eyeing on the b8 square, so you cannot come here, and to defend this you have to come up with the queen only. But that is also showing a blunder. Why it is showing a blunder? Because rook to c a1 and a to c c1, and that's again
Yes.
hitting you. You need to go to d8 only then. And computer is showing the
D1
best move is
analysis.
to go and capture on the b7. And again here you cannot come here. If you came here, let's suppose if you came here, I'll capture here. Now it's, you can see the bar is going two ups and down, and here it is not suggesting me to exchange. Instead, it's
Yes.
asking me to go here, to put some pressure here. But you can simply come. Okay, you cannot come here. So it's like a losing of this knight. But in the return, you already means here you did a blunder because this was a big blunder. You can see the bar is showing it's 5 plus,
Yes,
and
but I swear I wanted to play knight f6. I don't know what happened.
yeah,
But,
he should have played. He
it's,
should have played. That will be the great move. It's already depended, and you're hitting my queen, and I can simply go here and chop up this pawn. But now we can see, it's a big blunder
yes, it's a big blunder.
because because you can simply capture me here. So I will not do that.
Yes.
So
And what about
instead,
the final?
uh, what about?
What about the end game? I
Yeah,
don't
yeah,
know
yeah,
if I
yeah.
was winning one time or not.
Let's go. Let's go to the end game where I was just checking for the some ideas.
Hmm.
I was not getting those ideas that time. So let's see. This was the best move. I thought at the moment that I lost the queen, but then I realized, okay, this has been defended and you cannot capture me.
Hmm.
Then I just went back because if I capture here, the idea is this was the best move, because if you capture here, you wanted to just capture my rook.
Yes, it was a little trap.
Yeah, yeah, and I did understand that this was the trap, and I said, okay, let's give up one pawn and come to this position. And
Hmm.
again, you did not capture my queen, so instead you went, and I think in this I did wrong. Here I should have captured your queen, and I will be like plus one piece, and it will be a very easy end game.
Hmm.
But instead of this, I did this, and still it was showing me the plus. But here I did given up you the queen for the two rooks, and yeah, I was just hoping you should means you are not aware of the back rank mate is there, and you just played correctly. Means it's showing the h5 move, but you did mean saved your back rank mate, and here I was like, oh no, what to do now? What is the next step? So here it was not giving me any clue what to do, and computer is suggesting the h5 for you, and after that showing me the bishop to e4. Yeah, I think this is the only I played, right? Okay, it's getting loaded on the system, and then where is the next move? Okay, yeah. Instead of the giving check, I did went for the d1. So that was not the best move. It should have went for the check first. Then you will come on the this h7 square, and there will be the check, and then you have to eventually come with the g6. I believe, yeah, that is the best move it is showing. And then
Yes.
it is asking me to go for the bishop to g2. Bishop to g2, and I don't understand this bishop to g2, why it's asking me. Okay, it's just wanted to support the king here. Okay, so let's see after our bad moves what it is showing. So it was the inaccurate move, correct, but still it was 4 plus. And then okay, instead of this it was showing here. The idea was, simple idea was, if your queen is going somewhere else, like I think you played here only, right? I was just hoping to, just play something moves like this and attack on your bishop, and simply give the check here. But
Yes, that was a great idea.
yeah, but I was just trying to get the ideas, what will be the next plan, and it was very low on time, and we are unable to find the best moves. In the time pressure, it's like, yeah, it's showing blunder to me. Why it's blunder? Queen f2
I
is
think
the blunder.
it's the queen trap. Yes.
Uh,
You trap my queen. If you play maybe
no,
bishop to e3.
it's showing me the check here first.
Ah.
King has to go to the h7, then bishop to g4 check. Then king has to pawn has to push further. Then bishop to e5, and it is going to be the mate, I believe. So then
Yeah.
f7 check. Where it is showing f. Okay, f1 plus. Oh, computer is showing to give up your queen. Okay, so yeah, this was the idea. Okay, I missed it. So yeah, this is a learning for me as well. This is very difficult, finding the checkmates during your less time and your upper piece, but still it's difficult. So Arnold, what do you wanna say before closing the video? How are you feeling? It's very nice, to have you on the channel, and I would definitely love you to continue. Love to continue if you join further as well with the webcam, obviously, for the
You
next
don't want
time.
to play another game? It's too late for you.
Yeah, we can play. I'll just close the recording and we can play one more game. So
Okay, great.
yeah. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Do like, share, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Bye bye.
Yeah, bye
Arnold,
guys.
yeah.
See you like.
Bye.